Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Created by Nature. My name is Donna. The kids are gone, hubby is gone, so I thought I'd take this chance to share this haul with you. It's a big one. I am so excited about some of these finds and I had to share them with you. So let's get right into it. Okay, so the first thing that I found was this crate. I have been looking for something like this for a while. I want to turn it into a utensil and napkin holder for when we have company. So I just need to put some partitions in. So that will be a really cool DIY to do. Okay, and I know this might seem kind of odd and weird to get, but these little straw hats for crafting are so hard to find right now. So I've been looking for one for a while. I didn't want it so big, but I'm gonna make do with this, but I actually don't need to use this until next year. So this is going in my stash. And that was 50 cents. And then another thing, sorry about the crinkling. Okay, this stuff is not made anymore. And it's the Blue Mountain Pottery. So from what I learned, this is Canadian made. So I'm super excited about that, of course. And yeah, the company no longer makes this. So this piece was in great shape. So I got this one for $2.50 and that'll go with another piece that I already have. And then I had seen something, I can't remember. Maybe it was like, I don't know, Urban Outfitters or something. I can't remember exactly. Anyways, they had some wood bowls and it was decorative on the inside. And I fell in love with it, but I can't afford that. But I can afford thrifty pieces. So it does have the felt bottom. I'm gonna see if I can remove that. And it's actually very, very heavy. I got that for $1. I don't know information on that one. Let's see if it's got like engraving on the bottom. I don't know if I don't think that's a stamp date. I think that's just a product number maybe. I'm not sure. Anyways, I fell in love with this and this will go great with the next piece that I have to share with you. I got this for $1. So this is the other piece I got. I wanted a new bedside table lamp. I fell in love with this and yes, it works. It was $3 and I just have to find a lampshade for it, but look how great these look together. Love it, love this so much. So I was super excited to find that. So this next lot is actually, it's for the Christmas season and I will link the video down below to show you what I am working on. But I have got a collection of some silverware and I love the tarnished look. I am not getting rid of the tarnish, you guys. Those hold stories. Anyways, so I got this. It is a trophy cup. Yeah, it's a hockey trophy cup because it does say Pee-wee's on there, Pee-wee A, from 1975. That's my birth year. Got it for $1.99, but I loved the stem on it. I loved the little goblet, and I mean, you can barely see the writing on there. So yeah, I thought I would just grab it and play around with it. And then I also got this cream and sugar set. They were both $1.99 each. Beautiful. And then I found this single sugar bowl and that was $2.50. And then I also found this pedestal. It was $2.99. And I think this is gonna be gorgeous for the Christmas season. And it does have its tag on the bottom still. Of course, I don't have my glasses, so I can't see it, but I cannot wait to do those up for the Christmas season. I got a few more pieces that I will be doing for, again, the Christmas season. I'm hoping to take part in a Christmas market at a local business here, and it's like the coolest place ever. It's a cidery that is done in 100, yeah, I believe it's 100, maybe it's 110. Anyways, it's a really old barn. You guys, it's such a cool place. I absolutely love it. So they have started a Christmas market. I went to it last year and it was amazing. But of course, with this whole thing going on this year, I don't know if it's happening, but I thought I'm gonna prepare myself anyways, so we'll see how it goes. But to add to those pieces, I got this set of copper cream and sugar bowls. Gorgeous, love these so much. They were $3 for the set. And then to go along with that whole Christmas market, I have been scouring all of my thrift stores for old, junky springform pans. Yes, I want them a junky. These, I believe, are all $2 each. They're all different sizes. So this one's 8.5 inches. And then there's this one. Sorry about that. This one's 9.5 inches. I really should get my glasses on. And this one's probably 12 inches. So those will be for the craft fair. And again, they were all $2 each. Okay, so now moving on to my personal collection. I found this floral holder. Thought it was so pretty. I love the roses. And I did find this online. Now this part here, this frog is not the original to this, but I still liked it. Thought it was cool. I thought this would be so pretty to have some flowers, or even doing like one of my little Christmas arrangements in here. I thought that would be pretty. And then I also found, and apparently these are really difficult to find now, is a glass flower frog. I got that one for $2. Oh, and I got this one for $3. Believe it or not, I had gotten rid of some of these glass flower frogs and the metal pin flower frogs. I didn't know what I had. And that was probably 10 years ago. And to me, it was like old-fashioned junk. Anyway, oh well, you live and learn, right? So now I'm collecting these. Being a florist, this was super cool to find. So I can't wait to try this out and this out as well. Okay, so this piece I was super excited to find as well. It was $1.99. I already have it in green. I will link that video down in my description box as well if you want to check that piece out. I love this. I love this so much. I thought it was awesome that I found it in clear. So yeah, that's definitely being added into my collection. And then I found 2 antique bottles. I don't know anything about them except they're old and dirty. They were only 50 cents each, but I love collecting glass. I really do. And these will make great little bud vases for some flowers. So my oldest loves to go thrifting, and she found this old mister. I haven't tested it out yet to see if it will spritz out any water, but isn't it just so cute? I love it. It was $3. I was super happy to find all these pieces, and some of them are a little worn, but that is okay. I think they'll make cute little trinket bowls. And yes, they are Fire King lusterware, $1. And it is kind of worn. I don't know if maybe somebody put it in the dishwasher, but isn't that just so cute? And then I found a bowl. Again, you can see how it's worn, but just thought it was so pretty. This was only $1. And then I did find some pieces that were in better shape. And one of them is a cup. So pretty. And then there's another cup, and they were both 2 for $3.99. Great shape. Some of these things came from my local thrift store, as well as a Value Village, which is in another city that's about 15 minutes away from where I live. So yeah, Value Village is probably similar to Savers in the States. I think maybe there's the Odd Value Village down there. I'm not sure, but man, it can be really expensive. You really have to know your prices. There was lots of things there that I was like, I want that, until I saw the price tag. I'm like, forget that business. So yeah, there was lots of stuff there, but I had to leave a lot behind. Okay, I found more pieces to add to my glass collection. This was so cool. It is an old, I believe it was a whiskey bottle. Yeah, maybe it was brandy. I can't remember. It is an alcohol bottle, Canadian made, which was pretty cool. Love this so much. It's gonna look so cool. I love to put glass up on my cupboards. So that's gonna be a project for me to work on. I have to clean my cupboards. I haven't done any deep cleaning. So I got this, it was $2. So again, to add to my glass collection, I found this amber glass jug. It was only $4. And again, I like to put these big jugs up on top of my cupboards. And then I found this book. Now this book is like, it has a bunch of prices in it, but I found it more for information to help me out, because I don't know what is real depression glass and what's fake out there. So I found this book, and at least I thought it gives me an idea of what to look for and teach me, because I'm seriously like, there is so much in here. And like I said, it does give prices, but I'm more after like the pictures, so I can, and then the names. So I got that, and it was probably only like 25 cents or something like that. I found this cute little bird. I love to use these in my arrangements. It was $1. Cute little bird. I also found this tin. Thought it was so pretty. I loved the pattern on there. It's like what's the word I'm looking for? I was gonna say folklore. Folk art. Is that folk art look? And it's in great condition. And I thought it would be really cute to either do an arrangement in this or use it for storage. And then this next lot is kind of random, but oh my word, what an amazing deal. So Value Village had these purses, these little like wristlet purses. This one's got some crochet doilies, and you guys, they've never been used. Look at, it's brand new, no staining and nothing. So that one was $2.99. And then I also found this one. It was $2.99 as well. And I thought this would make a great little bag to take along for a little mini art journal. And it ties up right here. Thought that was fun. And then this one was $4.49, real leather. And again, it's never ever been used. And I need a new wallet. The one that my kids had given me, it doesn't fit in my purse. Found this one, I'm like, yes, please. Leather all the way. Okay, and then I'm gonna be doing some gnomes for the Christmas market as well. So I wanted to stock up on some pom-poms. And they had assorted sizes at the at the thrift store. So I grabbed them all, and they were brown in color, which is great. So those will be really easy to use. They range from 25 cents to 50 cents a package. And then I don't usually get furniture, but you know, honestly, there was a few pieces that I could have grabbed and they were beautiful. There was like this old wood chair that had a beautiful Victorian tapestry done on it, but it was quite damaged, so it needed quite a bit of work. And I'm like, oh, I want it so badly. But I'm like, no, Donna, you have to be honest with yourself and decide if that's something you want to get into right now. And truth be told, I don't have the time. So anyway, but I did find this pedestal. It is MDF. I thought it was all solid wood. The base is solid wood. And as you can see, it's quite loose, but I'm gonna fix that up. You can see there's some water damage there on this wood veneer. But yeah, I thought this would be kind of fun. I might put it in our bedroom. I'm not sure yet. It was only $3, so I couldn't pass it up. So something that I love to also collect from the thrift stores is art. It is a very affordable way to build a collection because you can get a lot of originals. And I found this one. I was absolutely in shock. They were only selling it for $1. This is real watercolor. It is beautiful. I absolutely love it. So keep that in mind if you're wanting to build an art collection. Yeah, check out the thrift stores. Garage sales, yard sales, all those places. You can definitely find some great pieces. And again, original art pieces. You cannot go wrong. So I'm saving the best for last. I was struggling as to which ones I should grab. I wanted them all, but I'm like, no, you cannot get carried away here. You don't have the space for them all. So just pick your favorites. And that is these Norman Rockwell mugs. You guys, I love Norman Rockwell so much. His art has got just so much story behind them. So I found this one. It's the boys running from the stream. It says no swimming. And then I found this one. It's got the two cute little kids, lovebirds, sitting on a can't quite tell what they're sitting on. And then I got this one where the kids are playing a game. And then this one I thought was so cute. It's the little boy tending to his puppy who's sick. I only paid $1 each for these. $1. I left 5 behind. Yes, there was still another 5, but I picked out all the ones that had kids on them. I just thought it would be fun for our kids to use if they wanted. Yeah, I don't know. There's just something about Norman Rockwell. Okay, so let me know what your favorite piece was down in the comment section. I would love to know. And I hope you've all been able to get out and about. Yeah, it's strange times for sure, but I've been having a lot of fun thrifting. I think a lot of people have been cleaning out their closets, so that's great for us who like to go thrifting. I've got some thrift hauls over on my other channel. If you haven't checked that out, it is Creative by Nature Art and Life, where I share mixed media art journaling, junk journals, and all my crafty hauls are over there. So if you enjoy that, I'd love for you to pop over. Thank you all so much for being here. I greatly appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and comment down below, and I would love for you to subscribe if you are new to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye.